Here we are trying to retrofit the xenon headlights, the HID lights, into a halogen headlamp assembly. So each ID they have a ballast, and then you have the projector lens. They're the same, but you have a HID bulb in here. So yeah, your low beam is using an HID bulb. Now the main difference between the two, that you cannot just like simply plug it in, because the connectors, the pin out for this is different. So it has like 3 on top and 1 at the bottom. This one has 1 on top, 3 at the bottom. So it's the other way around. So I cannot just like plug this halogen into my Cadillac. So I have to swap this. Maybe this still works. I'm not so sure. We'll see. Okay, so I've taken out the projector with the bulbs and the ballast, and here's the case. So I have to open this one and this one. So before I swap it, I have to make sure that it works. So positive is that yellow wire there going to the ballast, and then the black one is the negative. So let's test it out. Positive here. Oh. Yeah, it's hard to do it with one hand. Okay, now I got the covers off. And this one too. So, yep. So this one is no problem, because I'll just cut this wire, and then that should take care of the wiring to the turn signal. Yeah, this one over here. Then you just twist this one. It should come off. And then this one. Yep. I'm gonna swap this bulb with the one with the HID. Problem is, looks like the housing is different than this one. Yep. See, that is way bigger. The housing, no, that one is bigger, this one is smaller. You know, there's 2 screws. Might have an issue putting this one over here. Okay, so luckily you could actually take out the rear housing, and they actually are of the same size as with the halogen one. So yep, I'm gonna swap them now. Be there. Okay, here's my test. It's working. Yep. HID bulb swapped. There you go.